Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving the equation x squared minus 25. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to find the solution of this quadratic equation. So, let's dive right in and begin solving x squared minus 25. To solve the expression x squared minus 25, we start by recognizing that this is a difference of squares. The difference of squares formula states that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Here, a is x and b is 5. Therefore, x squared minus 25 can be rewritten as x plus 5 times x minus 5. By recognizing and applying the difference of squares formula, we rewrite the problem x squared minus 25 as x plus 5 times x minus 5. This is because the formula tells us that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. In this case, a is x and b is 5. No further simplification is necessary. Thus this concludes our solution. The expression x squared minus 25 simplifies to x plus 5 times x minus 5. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.